Ramadan is about community, about feeling welcome.
It's all about heritage, tradition, and having a feast every single day and sharing what you're cooking with the neighbors.
It's about generosity. It's about, showing your restraint. It's also about celebrating all the special things that are in our lives.
The whole purpose of fasting is to appreciate, firstly, our religion and our Prophet. He fasted for 40 days.
Today we are gonna make Ali, which is dessert. It's a very common dessert. Everybody eats it in the Levant and Egypt and North Africa as well.
In our household, Ali is something that we prepare for Ramadan and is specifically for that month.
The recipe comes from Mahmoud's mom.
Today I'm making Punjabi samosa, but not as you know them. I'm making a saag paneer filling, which has the holy trinity of Pakistani seasoning. And my mum and I, we make the same dishes and we kind of look forward to making them every year for that month. That moment where we're cooking together in the kitchen and she's telling me her stories and she's handing down these recipes without even realizing it. I think it's quite a special moment where we're bonding. My dad, he likes to get involved in the cooking as well. I think just as his hunger starts to kick in, he'll wander into the kitchen and we'll give him the duty of frying the samosa and watching over them so they don't get too brown.
Today I'm making a date and pistachio loaf cake, and I learned this from my mother. She used to make it for me as a child. I just love to make it. Even if I'm not with my mother during Ramadan, I just have to do it. It triggers those memories of us being together.
When you break the fast and have this bundle of food, this is what God has given us. That's what life has given us, and we have to respect that.
It's all about excitement. You are hungry the whole day and you just want to eat everything.
And I think that's what Ramadan does. It brings people together in this feeling of feeling grateful for the special things in our life.
And when you spend a whole day of not eating or drinking, you appreciate every bite. You appreciate all the flavors, the taste, the textures. So it really, really humbles you into knowing what's on your plate. Wishing you all a Ramadan Kareem.
Ramzan Mubarak.
We also would like to wish you a Ramadan Mubarak.